Hello, Riverbend Middle School, and welcome to Lesson 4 of the CRM at Riverbend Middle School. Today, we're going to begin talking about the 6 CRM wellness skills, starting with tracking. Please always remember, though, to apply your resiliency mask first. Just like on an airplane with the instructions, they always tell you to focus on yourself first. Learning skills to stay in your zone to help others. If you are bumped out of your zone, you are going to be unable to assist another person until you are able to become or remain in your resilient zone. The 6 skills. Everything or all of the skills revolve around tracking. The other skills include resourcing, grounding, help now skills, shift and stay, as well as gesturing. The big 3 include tracking, resourcing, and grounding. Skill 1, tracking. It's all about your sensations. Tracking is the foundation for helping stabilize the nervous system. Tracking is noticing or paying attention to sensations, to what is happening inside the body in the present moment. At this time, I will invite you and invite your teachers to pause the video and you just sit and notice the sensations that you have currently in your body. If it is a pleasant sensation, stick with it. If it's unpleasant, please shift away and focus on something that is more pleasant or neutral, such as your big toe or your ear. When we learn to discern the differences between sensations of distress and well-being, we begin to have choice of what to pay attention to on the inside. Please remember that what we pay attention to grows. If we think of a garden and we only focus on the weeds within the garden, we never focus on the flowers or the vegetables. But if we pick those weeds and we focus on those flowers and the vegetables, you then are able to focus on your well-being or the well-being of that garden. Tracking is simply noticing or paying attention to what is happening inside your body at the present moment. You must determine if the sensation is pleasant, unpleasant, or neutral. Sitting or staying with sensations that are pleasant or neutral should be your main objective. Let's talk about the brain again. Right now, we're going to talk about interoception and the insula. These 2 parts of your brain allow or gives us the ability to observe the body's sensations in response to how we think, feel, and move. The insula is part of the brain that helps body and mind communicate to another. It reads physical states of the body, such as sensations like pain, an itch, temperature change. It then communicates to the medial prefrontal cortex, which is also known as your thinking brain, to take action to keep the body in a state of internal balance. Body awareness can reduce impulsivity and promote emotion regulation and clear thinking. Ways to read sensations. Observation. If a person's body, posture, muscle tension, relaxation, breathing, and skin color. As an observer, you're able to see when a person has a release. Sometimes their shoulders will drop. Sometimes there's a smile, a yawn. Internal climate. Your internal climate, what you notice inside while talking to another person. So as you're in that conversation, focus on how you feel on the inside to be able to track your body. And person self-report. Helping another person become aware of sensations by asking, what do you notice happening on the inside? Are the sensations inside pleasant, neutral, or unpleasant? Again, tracking the nervous system release. A release is a biological process that happens automatically when the body releases stress energy and comes back into balance. Sensations can include trembling, shaking, tingling, yawning, stomach gurgling, burping, warmth, and cooling down. Paying attention to release sensations can help the body return to the resilient zone if you are bumped high or low. Some sensation words. Teachers, I invite you to please pause the video and review some of these sensation words with your students. Looking forward. Great job today. Tomorrow, we will continue going over the 6 CRM wellness skills, such as resourcing. Before we go, please think of that person, place, or thing that brings you joy. Now practice your tracking skills and try to sense in your body where you feel the sensations based on thinking of that resource. Have a great day.